Park4night is an innovative Android application tailored for motorhome and camper enthusiasts, designed to help users find suitable parking and camping spots throughout their travels. This app features a user-friendly interface that allows travelers to discover a variety of locations, including campgrounds, rest areas, and free parking spots specifically for motorhomes and camper vans. The best versions of Park4night offer an extensive database of user-generated content, where travelers can share their experiences, tips, and photos of specific locations. This community-driven aspect allows users to benefit from insights about facilities, such as water sources, electricity availability, and local attractions. Additionally, the app provides essential information like GPS coordinates, opening hours, and reviews from fellow travelers, which helps users make informed decisions about their stops. Many iterations of Park4night also include features such as offline access, allowing users to download maps and information for areas with limited mobile coverage. This functionality is particularly helpful for those venturing into remote locations. Overall, Park4night serves as a valuable resource for motorhome and camper enthusiasts, promoting a sense of community and enhancing the travel experience by making it easier to find convenient and enjoyable places to stay on the road.